off the coast where the waters meet the sky. Perhentian island, where dreams don't just fly. Golden sands under the feet so bare. With each step we find love in the air. Beautiful beaches where horizons blend. Coral gardens where colors never end. Sea turtles glide in water so clear. Among the sharks we conquer our fear. The windmill stands a sentinel in the breeze, guarding secrets of the deep blue seas. The floating mosque, a symbol of peace, where prayers and waves find their release. Perhentian, a paradise so true. With every sunrise, a breathtaking